The Kia Seltos 2022 is a compact SUV that sits between the Soul and the Sportage in Kia's SUV range. The Hyundai Kona's platform and powertrains are shared by the Seltos. Hyundai and Kia are connected. Let's go back to the 90s. So, Kia declared bankruptcy in 1997, after becoming a standalone company. In 1998, Hyundai Motor Group chose to buy the automaker in order to keep it viable. Kia and Hyundai Motor Group are separate companies, however Hyundai is Kia's parent corporation. The distinction between Kia and Hyundai is that each company has its own brand philosophy for producing its automobiles. They are connected, but not identical, as you can see. The fact that the Seltos is somewhat bigger and hence marginally roomier than rival subcompact SUVs, like the Mazda CX-30 and Nissan Kicks, provides it an additional edge. 5 available vehicle models are LX, S Nightfall Edition, X, SX Turbo. So, let's see what Kia Seltos has to offer in 2022. In the Seltos, Kia offers 2 alternative 4-cylinder engines, a 2.0-liter with 146 horsepower and a turbocharged 1.6-liter with 175. The turbo engine is linked to a 7-speed automatic transmission, while the standard engine is coupled to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. With the Turbo 4, all-wheel drive is standard, but with the non-turbo basic engine, it is an option. Acceleration is more than adequate, 6.6 seconds run to 100 km per hour. The ride is hard but typically pleasant, and the fuel efficiency is excellent. The standard engine is adequate in normal driving and powerful enough for traveling around town, but it seems strained while traveling at highway speeds. The optional turbocharged engine is more powerful and aids acceleration, but it's mated with a clumsy gearbox that downshifts slowly. The Seltos has significantly larger inside capacity than the Kona for persons and freight. The materials used throughout the cabin have been carefully selected and honed to look completely at home in a showroom. A touchscreen infotainment display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will be standard on all Seltos versions save the base LX, but the optional 10.3-inch device is the one to buy. The navigation feature is optional, and it allows you to split the screen so you can see the map and instructions while changing the radio station. The Seltos can also come with a wireless smartphone charging pad, up to 3 USB ports, a head-up display, and a 7.0-inch colored display in the gauge cluster, depending on the model. Optional will be an 8-speaker Bose audio system with fractal textured speaker grills. The Seltos comes with a basic package of driver assistance technology, although higher tech features like adaptive cruise control and bicycle recognition are only available on the SX model. For such a little vehicle, the Seltos boasts a surprising amount of cargo room. The majority of people seeking for crossovers do so because they have a family to transport on a daily basis. The inside dimensions of the 2022 Kia Seltos are similar to those of the Mazda CX-30, although the back sitting space is more roomy, with 38 inches of legroom. There is plenty of room in the front, and the back is ideal for 2 school-aged youngsters. A 6-way manually adjustable driver's seat and a 4-way manually adjustable passenger seat are standard on all models save the X and SX Turbo. Instead, a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with 2-way lumbar support is provided to the exceptions. The Seltos outperforms its competitors with a big trunk and enough cargo capacity, allowing for family vacations without the need to pack light in order to save room.